Welcome to Writing Workshop with Miss Scranton. So today, writers, we are going to write words, these magic words, to be able to help fix a problem, solve a problem, problems that are in our world, okay? Let's start off with our gathering song together. Are you ready? I'm going to sing and you're going to repeat after me. We are gathering on the rug. Everyone is here now. We are here. We are gathering on the rug. Everyone is here now. We are here. Writers. Okay, so I was taking my dog for a walk yesterday because it was so beautiful and sunny outside. And as we were walking, my dog started to choke. Yes, choke. And I freaked out and I looked in his mouth and there was trash in it. He was choking on trash. So then I looked around and all around me, all over the grass and the road, people just threw their trash everywhere. I thought to myself, gosh, I wish I could fix this problem. Have you ever had a problem that you wished you could fix? Yes! Okay, well, you don't have to just wish these problems away. What if I told you that you could write these problems away? I'm telling you this because people don't just write stories or how-to books, they also write about ideas and opinions. You can help to make sure that you can solve problems and make our world a better place. So today I want to teach you that if you are going to write to make the world a better place, first you ask yourself, where is there a problem, or what problems do I see in the world? And after thinking of a problem, then you want to think of all the ways you could possibly solve that problem. And then once you have an idea of all those ways, then you get to write about it. Watch me as I model our new anchor chart for this unit. So it says writers write to make the world a better place. And it tells us in steps, kind of like our teaching point, what we can do to write about things to make the world a better place. So let's start with step 1. Step 1 says to see a problem. So you look around and you're seeing a problem. And then step 2 says to think. Think about that problem. What could I do to solve that problem? And the last thing we can do about it is write. We can start writing all about it. Okay, so let's break these steps apart. Step 1 tells us that we see a problem. So when I think of all the problems in the world, I thought of a few, but I also asked some of my friends to share. So we have Rago over here, who told us she has a picture of a broken pencil, and that's a world problem. We need pencils in school to do our work. Now we need pencils at home to do our work. What can we do if our pencil breaks? And then Evelyn has a picture of her outside, and there's trash everywhere. There's litter all over the ground, just like what I saw when I was walking my dog. And then I also thought about, if you're at home and maybe you only have one computer, but you have siblings and you have brothers and sisters and other people need to use the computer, what do you do when you only have one? And then I know the biggest problem that we had in school was running in the hallways. That is not safe. So how can we help to fix these problems? Okay, now step 2 tells us to think. We need to think really hard of ways that we can solve these problems. So this is where it's your turn to try, okay? I want you to think of the problems that Miss Scranton gave you. So the littering, the running in the hallways, and not being able to share your computers, right? How could we solve those problems? Think right now of ways that you can solve those problems. And when you have an idea, shout it out so I can hear it, okay? My gosh, okay, someone just told me that if we saw litter on the ground, we could put on gloves and pick it up and throw it in the trash can. That's an awesome way to solve our problem. I love the good thinking. And what about the not being able to only having one computer and not sure who's going to use it because you both need to do schoolwork, correct? What about sharing? What about you start for about 10 minutes, then you take a quick break, and then let your sister or brother go on for a couple minutes, and that way you're all getting your learning done. I like that idea. And then another friend just told me that running in the hallway is not safe because you can fall. So they had an idea that maybe they could tell people to slow down in the hallways if they saw them running. Great idea, guys! And step 3 is write. So today and every day, boys and girls, I want you to think of all of the problems, whether it's at home, whether it's in school, or just out in the world, and I want you to think so hard of how you can fix those problems, and then write all about how you can fix it, because let's make the world a better place, okay? Off you go.